Hello, welcome to Earth and Glam, where today I'm going to be showing you how to make these ombre wave summer inspired earrings in under 5 minutes. We'll start off with pulling our colors out. Today we'll be using a red, a white, and a blue, all in a matte shade. The clay type is Sculpey Primo. I will begin conditioning the clay by rolling it in my hand first and then transferring it to the pasta roller. If you don't have a pasta roller, feel free to use an acrylic roller, and I will repeat the process for each of the colors. Once I have my colors prepped and ready, I am going to line them up and cut off any excess. As we will be putting these through a roller again, it's better to have a straight surface to work from. And to create that ombre look, I will put it in my pasta roller a few times, folding it in half on the same colors and repeating that process until I get the ombre effect I'm looking for. Once the palette is to your liking, you can go ahead and pick out the barrette cutter you'd like to use. I used a wave shape today. I was able to get 2 cuts out of this first palette. I'll go over and transfer those to my baking surface. Today I am using a ceramic tile, but you can use oven-safe glass, or you could use any other baking surface with parchment paper. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the cutoffs back to my palette here and put it through the pasta roller again and see if we could get a few more cuts out of this clay. This is all we're going to get out of this clay today, so I will go ahead and bake these off for 30 minutes in an oven at 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the pieces have been baked and have had time to cool off, we'll go ahead and do a sand on the rough edges. Today I'm just using sandpaper, but you can also use a Dremel with the sanding head. Once those are sanded, I flip over the pieces so the back of the barrette is exposed. And from here, I will glue on the barrette hardware. I'm using E6000 glue. It seems to work really well between metal and polymer clays. I make sure to cover the barrette in a thin layer of glue and then apply a good amount of pressure between the clip and the clay piece of the barrette. And once these steps have been completed for each barrette, you now have the ombre summer wave. These barrettes can be purchased at earthandglam.shop with other options as well. Thanks for joining, you guys.